Shifting focus to our breaking update, we are getting to know where top Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Nadeem Abrar has now been arrested. He is said to be involved in several killings, and the IGP Kashmir has just confirmed this arrest, saying that this is a big win for our forces. The top LET commander Nadeem Abrar has now been arrested. That is the latest update we are getting to know of the IG Kashmir confirming his arrest, saying that it's a big win for our forces, and recoveries too that has now been made, where pistol and grenade that has now been recovered from him. The key Lashkar conspirator who has been said to be behind many of the killings and many other terror activities that have now been reported against our forces has now been arrested. That is a major achievement we're getting to know for our security forces. Quickly going across to Zeenat now. Zeenat, a top LET commander, also known for his involvement in many terror activities. He's now been arrested. Tell us more about the success story.
Yes, Amita, this is a big breaking that we are breaking on Republic First. From the Srinagar, that the Nadeem Abrar has been arrested by Jammu Kashmir police. He was arrested in the Parampora area by JKP. In fact, this has been confirmed by IG Kashmir, Vijay Kumar himself. He has not only that he has been arrested, but arms and ammunition that include pistol and ammunition and other rounds of grenades have been recovered from Nadeem Abrar. His affiliation is with the LET, which is a Pakistan-based terror outfit in Kashmir, and Nadeem was involved in several killings and also attacks on security forces, and he was also one of the recruiters of Lashkar-e-Taiba in Kashmir Valley. This is coming as a big success for the forces, because you see, if we see the graph of the terror activities in Srinagar for the last couple of months, so coming his arrest is a big success for the forces, because he is behind many of the terror crimes that took place in Srinagar city. And yes, this is one of the big break, and now the more beans he will spill when the Jammu Kashmir police will interrogate him.
Absolutely, because this is coming across as a big win for our security forces. The key Lashkar conspirator has now been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police, confirmed by the IG police himself.